Welcome to SicBaggers YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today we got another RickRak video for you. If you missed our last video on this roller tour pack combo that we have on the back of the Street Glide here, you're going to want to go check out that video. I'll put a link in the description down below so you can check out that one. That bag is awesome. But today we have more travel luggage for you. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, this roller combo back here can be used on top of the tour pack. They also have a combo that's called a 2-up combo, and that one has a quick detached plate on there that mounts to a luggage rack if you have just a passenger backrest and a luggage rack back there. So there's two combinations for that bag. So if you don't have a rack on top of your tour pack where you can mount that, but you still want to use your tour pack, it is a touring model motorcycle. We have saddlebags and we have a tour pack back there. RickRak has luggage made specifically for those as well. Today I'm going to be showing you the tour pack suitcase and the saddlebag suitcase. Now these things are pretty cool. If you look at this side profile right here, you can see that they're very, very thin. There's a couple of differences between the RickRak one and say the Harley Davidson one. Of course, these are made out of heavy duty nylon and they are exactly the shape of the tour pack or exactly the shape of your saddlebag. But now let me show you the same two with some stuff in them. They're actually pretty big. You can put quite a bit of stuff in these things. Like I said, this one made for the tour pack and this one made for the saddlebag. And of course we have two of each because like I said in the last video, if you get yourself one, you better get mama one too. And when you're not using them, like I said, they fold up really thin like this. So basically you pack this just like a suitcase. And one of the biggest differences between this one and say like the Harley Davidson one is when you get this thing unzipped, it unzips all the way. Got a double zipper. This unzips all the way, and when you get it unzipped, you can open it up all the way. So it actually opens like a suitcase. You can take this thing in, slide it right into your dresser drawer in your hotel, and live straight out of this bag. On the inside, you can see we've got the hard base bottom right here that folds up. We can push that down. When you've got this thing packed, it's going to give you a hard base, solid base in the bottom, just like that. So it takes the form of that. On the inside, of course, you have a few straps right here to go over your clothes, cinch those down to kind of keep them in place while you're carrying it upright. And then on the inside of the lid, you've got two large pockets here. Maybe you want to put your shoes or something up here that you don't want touching your clothes. And right here on the sides, we have mesh pockets on both sides of the base of the suitcase, so you can slip little easy access things in there. Once you get it all packed up, you've got a nice carry handle. It's got a Velcro strap on the top, so you can lock those handles together and you just carry it in. Now, if we come over here to the bike and we take the saddlebag, when you can see the profile of this bag is kind of shaped like a saddlebag. So we're going to open up the saddlebag. We're going to slide this base in just like this. And because it is a soft bag, you can kind of squish it and move your clothes around just a little bit. You get it all in there. We get it closed up and we're ready to go. Now, when you get to the hotel, you just simply open it up, grab your handle, take it out. You've got everything packed, ready to go into the hotel. Same exact thing for the tour pack one. You just simply put these in. You can stack a couple of these on top. We got two of these loaded up. We're gonna lay these in here. And we're ready to go. So what I've done now is put both the suitcases and the tour pack bags in. We got the roller bag up on top of the tour pack, and we're just going to demonstrate how easy it is to get all of this stuff off. Now, even with this padlocked to the bike, it's very easy to take off. We've got our padlock off. We undo our quick mounts over here. We grab this handle on the side. We pull this off. His and her bags ready to go there. Now, if you're like me and you just want to carry every single bag in one trip, all 4 bags and our roller case, and we're ready to go in. And once you get into wherever you're staying, the saddlebag and the tour pack bag come both completely open. Like I was showing you a while ago, they open all the way. You can tuck that lid under its base, slide it straight into your dresser drawer, and live straight out of the bag. When you get ready to go, pull it out, close it up, zip it, back out on the bike you go. So that's going to wrap up our video today. Make sure to check out RickRak's website. They have a lot of stuff over there. They have a lot of luggage. Make sure you check out that video on that roll top. It's a really cool roll top bag, as you probably seen in that video. That's like an actual suitcase with wheels on it and an extendable handle, but it also quick detaches to your tour pack or to a luggage rack. So make sure to check that thing out. Make sure to check out the website because they have a lot of stuff on that website. They got a lot of stuff that's actually RickRak product, but then they also have a lot of stuff from other vendors. So it's kind of a one-stop shop place website that you can go to find a lot of cool stuff. I kind of got on there the other day and started searching around and had no idea that they had so much stuff on there. I've been following RickRak for probably the last 3 or 4 years, and I know they started out kind of small with a few things, and now the website's pretty big, so they got a lot of stuff to check out. So make sure you hit that link down below, go over and check out RickRak. If you have any questions on these bags that's in this video today, or even that roll top bag, make sure you leave the comment section down below. I'll try to help you the best that I can. I'm gonna get out of here and get myself back to work, but until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe popping up over here. And don't forget to check out the rest of the channel because we have a ton of bagger related and soft tail videos on our channel. And to get you started, maybe you can check out this one or this one. I'm not really going to say anything else. You can just click one of those and take you over to another video.